Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove spaces in Excel. So let's start this my Excel and here I show you two different ways to remove the spaces in Excel. The first, simply select the range of data and use the Control F, and here the Find and Replace dialog box is open. Then click on the Replace tab. In Find What, give the space. So I'm going to find the space in this selected range and replace with no space. So remove the space, use the backspace and remove here totally the space. Okay. So find what the space, replace with no space and click on the replace all, and that's it. All done. We made 39 replacement. Click on OK. Close this dialog box and that's it. Here you can see the spaces is removed of the numbers. Okay. The second way, simply select the cell, use the is equal to and use the trim functions. Okay. And select the text and press enter. That's it. You can see the space is removed. Just drag below this formula and here you see on all name the spaces, the extra spaces is removed. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.